Today, you're going to find out how a few selected powerful individuals in Nigeria are destroying you and your children's future. This topic is extremely important. In fact, a hot past fire. Then we break this down. Then we'll go to the beginning. Now, why this matter? We will talk. Why it matter to you and me? Number one, more look at this matter. It's about how they allocate our money budget. It affects accountability in government. It affects how our money, how they spend that. And it also affects whether the people in the same go Abuja may go represent you. Now they said that they represent have been me and you. And also because when oversight collapses, every one of us paid the price. Now, we know said Nigeria economic contest. Before we dive in, let me look Nigeria economic contest. Currently, inflation, rising inflation, cost of living crisis, fuel subsidy removal, growing public anger. Budget is not just paperwork. It's a plan for survival for the masses. Now, we know say a few days ago, Jagagba presented his budget before the National Assembly. The budget was framed as the budget of recovery and reform. This is the total amount that the government plans to spend in 2026. Now, what did Jagagba say he won't spend? Be that, okay? Now, make we come look inside the parliament. Before Jagagba arrived that day, behind that closed door, members of National Assembly are not happy. They complain, say, man, Jagagban, they implement the budget well, they don't they get their own. They complain, say, Jagagban, they neglect them, say, Jagagban, they treat it like, say, man, they're not that important. And they say, because of everything, once they will threaten to resist Jagagban. They were promising that the parliament will be pushed back, that they need to exert their legislative sovereignty. That is what they were planning. The plan for them that day, we say, as Jagagba enter, they will disrupt the proceedings, delay the budget, make sure say they get concession for Jagagba. That would have been a rare moment. Nigeria legislators have demonstrated that they have some level of independence. That would have been a rare moment. However, let us now look at why these guys know they happy. This year when we did so, now the budget will be saying the budget for 2025 be this so 54.9 trillion. As I speak to you today, the 22nd of December, the total of 16.47 trillion, that is what has been executed. That is about 30% of this year's budget have actually been implemented. So the constituency project where National Assembly member they collect, that money they collect, they're not their accountable. They use that they do anything they like. They invest in man, they never get time for Jagagba. Only a few of their senior. We say those ones don't they now then get out. So they invest for Jagagba. That's why they say that day now the opportunity for them to show Jagagba say yes, we not be rubber stamp. We know say as soon as Jagagba and his team enter, instead of protest, they call it say, on your mandate we shall stand. On your mandate. What do you call happen now? Now what you want to find out be that. And I think they affect you and your pikin future. That one I explain to you so. So before they enter, according to the report, which have not been disputed by the members of the National Assembly or the executive arms of government, each senator received 73 million from the executive, while each member of the House of Rep received 43 million. When they hear millions, so now your money, your children future, you know, say Nigeria, as I talk to you, so they get almost 16 trillion. Now we take the service our debt, now our money, our future, now they give also. Now no can look. No member of the National Assembly disputed this report, and that is why we feel confident to be able to share it. This is the source of the story. According to the report, they were paid in dollars, $30,000 to House of Rep, $250,000 to the Senate. No wonder Akpabio dey smile. Now, wetin come be the implication? How this matter, how it dey affect you and your children? Now, when you hear say they spend money like that, your budget money, expect more hardship, expect no less money for education, healthcare, road, power, security, poor hospital. Expect say your hospital, the road, they will continue to be death trap, because now the money where they're supposed to spend for those things, now a few people they share. So why the vast majority of Nigerians they suffer. Now the cost of living, the quality of life will continue to suffer. We know that weak oversight allows waste and initiated contract, while food, fuel, transport and rent and other things that have impact on the masses continue to skyrocket. We know that one. We talk about. We also know that this normalizes corruption. It says that this is the norm. Whenever the executive wants something in the National Assembly, raise objection, just give food, they chop, they'll just chop. We know say this one will worsen insecurity and inequality. The gap between the rich and the poor will continue to go up. We also know that it will erode trust and hope. As you dey watch me now, how you go fit get trust and faith for people wey dey represent you for Abuja? When you hear say they go Abuja finish, they collect their own money, they no even care about your future. Say you go trust, you get confidence of those kind of institution. The answer is no. Now, who be the real victim for this matter? With all people say they affect more. Now your mama, my mama, our papa, put they sell for market, workers, students, business owners, the unemployed, the masses pay through hardship, inequality, poor service, and they lost faith completely when all these things they happen. Because also they happen, so people they hear and people they vet. Now money for road, your children future. Now so we know say not be the first time in the past in Nigeria there has been reports say that they pad budgets, bribery, allegation, legislation, inducement. We know all these things they happen, but now how it they affect our people. Now we dey talk about this channel. We always look at the impact of every issue on our people. Now, we hear say, recently, newspaper reporter say any sitting governor from the opposition wey decamp to PDP, to APC, now wetin Jagaban they give them be this one. Any member of Senate from the opposition wey decamp to APC, if they give them 1 billion, governor 250 billion, member of House of Rep opposition, if they give them 500 million. When they publish this story, I know here say Jagaban carry they go court to, and until I hear say Jagaban carry to go court, my brother and sister, I believe say this thing are true because they publish it live. Now, when you hear say that they give money like that, the way things they go now, no surprise say man, you hear say all the political party for Nigeria, even the cockroach, rat, everybody now APC. Some of us we don't follow politics for Nigeria for a long time. We remember those times say Abacha Day. 5 political parties they can't adopt Abacha. You know what Bola he gave? May God bless you. So they described them. He said the 5 leprosy hands of General Abacha. Don't forget say the way things they go now. The FPC all the party can't get like 4 leprosy hands of Emperor Jagaban. The way things they go now for Nigeria. Now, what can be the impact for this on our people? As you they hear now say the money, government say not get money to implement budget, but they see money to give people. We be say, man, that money not they accountable. Now, the money for your children future, money for hospital. Anytime you go hospital, you see say no bed, service they poor, road na death trap, insecurity, police they don't get gone, they don't get this. Just know say na Akpabio and the boys now they chop the money. As they chop, your people they suffer. Now you can't hear this story now. How you can't feel as a Nigerian, knowing full well that the people that you sent to the National Assembly, which is supposed to be the representative of the Nigerian people, they are now selling the children that are yet unborn their future. Are you happy? Let me know what your views are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my new channel. As you support me, so I'm going to work hard to bring new updates to see me about what they happen, so that our people could know what they happen. God will continue to support you, so I'll bring on that story very soon.